Hi viewers, welcome back to Sunita's Tasty Food channel. Today we are learning the healthy breakfast recipe which serves for 5 people along with rasam chutney. Usually we eat this chutney in hotels. This 30 idli made out of some fresh few veggies and with suji or semolina. When you taste this 30 idli with rasam chutney, it really melts in your mouth and the taste amazing. So let's learn this recipe with just few simple steps. Let's get started. Taking here 1 cup of semolina, that is suji, and the same amount of yogurt. Here I am taking 1/3 cup of paneer, also called as cottage cheese, 1/3 cup of grated carrot, 1/3 cup of finely chopped cabbage, and 2 tablespoons of frozen peas. If you have fresh peas, you can add them as well. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of green chilli and ginger paste. Now mix all these ingredients together by adding half a cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Mix it well. Then we will rest it for about 15 to 20 minutes. While it is resting, we will prepare the rasam chutney. Making this chutney is so simple. Just blend all things together, boil it and temper it. That's simple as it is. Here goes in half a cup of coconut pieces, half a cup of roasted chana dal, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of rasam powder, few curry leaves, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of asafoetida, also called as hing. First grind all these dry ingredients. Always try to grind the dry ingredients first without adding water. If you add water into the dry ingredients, it takes lot of time to grind. Now we will add some water to make fine paste. Let's transfer this chutney into a bowl for boiling. Here I am adding 3 cups of water. I want to keep the chutney into little bit of thick consistency. If you want to make it in a liquid consistency, add little extra water, but make sure add spices accordingly. Now bring this to boil and check the salt is sufficient or not. I feel that it requires salt and spiciness both as well. So here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of rasam powder. As we add the extra water, it cuts down the spiciness. It is very common, so don't worry. You can add the spiciness according to your preference. It has been boiling since 2 minutes. Now let's add some coriander. After adding coriander, just cook it for few more seconds. Then we will finally temper it. For tempering, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and then add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts to splatter, add 3 red chilies and half a teaspoon of hing and few curry leaves. Then add this tempering into our rasam. That's it, our rasam chutney is ready. Add 1½ teaspoons of lemon juice for sourness. If you don't want lemon juice, you can use tamarind puree as well. We'll grease our idli plates with oil and we'll keep water for boiling as well. Let's come to our semolina batter. We will add some water into this. Our batter should be like normal idli batter consistency. Adding here some coriander, mix it thoroughly. Into this I am going to add 1½ sachets of ENO powder. After adding the ENO powder, don't mix it vigorously because we don't want to lose the aeration in the batter. And this aeration makes idlis fluffy and soft. From here on, we need to speed up our work. That's why I ask you to keep ready everything in advance before adding ENO powder. Now we will pour this idli batter into the plates for steaming. Since I don't have big enough perforated plate to fit all my plates, I used mesh here. Now this is going to steam for 15 minutes on medium flame. Friends, I would like to give you an idea to keep multiple plates by keeping a simple tall ring between the plates without having a 30 idli stand. Isn't it a good idea? Friends, I will provide a link in the description box below how to make soft square shaped paneer when we especially need paneer lengths and squares. Look at this, our 30 idli is ready. You can see the holes on the idli. This is what I was talking about. The aeration in the batter makes the idli softer and helps to absorb rasam chutney. Look at this. Now let's serve it in a serving plate and enjoy. Guys, if you like this recipe, please like and share and subscribe and make this recipe at home and post it on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Until I see you next time, take care. Bye bye.